Hi, my name is Harshad Trivedi and I'm in legal intern at Lexis and Company. So today we are going to talk about arbitration agreement. Arbitration agreement means an agreement by the parties to submit an agreement all or certain disputes which have arisen or which may arise between them in respect of a defined legal relationship, whether contractual or not. Arbitration agreement must be in writing. There is no particular form or structure. It should contain intention of the parties to make reference or submission to arbitration. In the case of Impex Corporation versus Elengical Aquamarine Exports Limited, such agreement may also be found to be exist in the form of correspondence by the way of change of letters between the parties. Arbitration agreement to be signed by the parties. Associates Builder versus Delhi Development Authority. It is sufficient if one party signs the written submission and the other accepts it. Database India Private Limited versus Beverly Private Limited. Sri Lanka Bombay High Court held the extension of the time through telephone or email shall be valid. Johri High Court arbitration agreement is a species of contingent contract where the agreement itself has come to an end and arbitration clauses of the agreement cannot survive independently and consecutively. Arbitration clause is a part of the contract, therefore it is an agreement collateral to the main contract and therefore it perishes with the termination of the contract. Government contract and arbitration clause. In case of government contracts, generally an employee is entrusted with the duty of the certifying the quality or performance of the works, and it is often written that his decision shall be final. The question is whether to interpret such clause as arbitration or it should be treated as mere certification as an administrative act. Food Corporation of India versus Surinder, such matters should be excluded from arbitration. Validity of arbitration agreement containing pre-deposit of cost clause. The arbitration agreement requires the party who raises a claim and initiates the proceeding to deposit cost in advance as a percentage of claim in order to prevent frivolous claims and ensure that in the event of the rejection of claim the opposite party will be reimbursed of the expenses incurred by it in defending his stand. SK Jain versus State of Haryana. In this case, the condition is based upon unequal bargaining power. Apex Court held that the principle of unequal bargaining power would not be applicable in case of commercial contracts. Mutuality. Being the sine qua non of the validity of contract, it would equally apply to an arbitration clause as well. There should be mutuality with regard to initiation of arbitration proceedings, as also that the award will be binding on the parties. Ahluwalia Co. versus IFS. Cooperative Society, the arbitration clause gave unilateral option to arbitrate and bound only one of the parties to submit to arbitration. The arbitration agreement held non-valid for want of mutuality. Survival of arbitration agreement. Parties continue their relationship even after the expiry of duration of the contract. In the case of Bharat Petroleum Company Limited versus the Great Eastern Trading Company, Supreme Court held that the Bharat Petroleum did not respond to the letter of the Great Eastern, which amounted to the principle of subliance issue and ruled the arbitration clause survives even if the main contract expires. Thank you.